today's video we are going to learn how to configure a protractor or an AnjularJS end-to-end testing tool. So first let's begin with the installation of Nodejs. For that you have to go on Nodejs official website, which is nodejs.org. Click on Node, and friends, you have to download this. If you have Windows PC, then Windows 64 or 32-bit, you have to download this file. After downloading this file, I have already downloaded this file, and we will go to downloads, and here you can see it's a 16 bits file. Okay, so extract this file, you will get this format, and just double click and install and click on run. So as I have already installed Node.js on my system, I will cancel this. You will have to do in this way as I show you. After the complete installation, if you want to verify that Node.js is installed properly or not, you have to type node version and check. Node version or node v is also good. So yes, you have to type node -v. If you are getting the version of Node.js, then you can say that Node.js has been successfully installed into your system. So this is the first step for Protractor. Actually, a Protractor is an wrapper on a Selenium, right? And a Protractor itself is a npm package which is present into the Node.js application. So for that, the Node.js should be present into our system. Okay, and let's move with our Protractor installation. Okay, so to install Protractor, you have to use this command. You have to use npm install -g protractor. Okay, so what this command do? This command will install Protractor npm package, and G refers to global. So the benefit of global is like you can access this Protractor from anywhere, so you don't need to go to a specific folder or specific path. So after typing npm install -g protractor, click on enter. So it will take some time to install Protractor file into your system. You can see the process. Just wait for some time. So friends, you can say like Protractor has been installed successfully, and it has added 125 packages into our system, right? So to check if Protractor has been installed successfully or not, you have to type command protractor -version. So you can see like we have got the information. I will show you Protractor version. So yeah, yes, we are getting output, right? So if you are getting this output, then we can say that Protractor has been installed successfully, right? So our next step will be so after installing Protractor, we will have to install a Webdriver manager. So Webdriver manager already present into the Protractor installation file. So to get sure to have a latest Webdriver manager, we have to update the Webdriver manager. So for that, we have to type Webdriver manager update. So just if Webdriver manager is not present in Protractor, it will install, or if it present, it will update to the latest version. So yes, we can see we also got Chrome driver here within the Webdriver manager because it is inbuilt. We also got Gecko driver, friend. You can see Gecko driver is used for Firefox, and Chrome driver is used for Chrome browser, right? To check whether our Selenium WebDriver manager has been installed successfully or not, and it is up and running, we have to start the Selenium WebDriver manager. Okay, so I will select WebDriver manager, start. So it will start, friends, and yes, it is up and running on port 4x4. You can see this Selenium server is up and running on port 4444. So we'll just go and check. Okay, so we have to type http local host, and the port is 4x4, right? We'll click on enter. So yes, Selenium standalone server is up and running, friends. Okay, so in next video, friends, we will configure Eclipse and with a Protractor, and we will install some plugins like AnjularJS plugins into our Eclipse, and we will execute our first program of Protractor through Eclipse into our next video. So till then, bye bye, see you, take care.